Hello guys, so again guys, today we have a new sneaker vlog again guys. So today's vlog guys, we have the Nike Dunk collaboration with Off-White. Yan, Off-White na nakalagay dito guys. It's Nike Dunk Low, Sale, Neutral Gray. Actually this is 47/50. Yun. So ayan, they have 50 types of this guys. So, ayan. Nakalagay dito lot. Naka-lot 1, lot 2. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. From lot 1 up to lot 450. So, ayan. Naka-cross yun sa atin. Number 47. This Nike Dunk low collaboration with Off-White. Yun. Kay Virgil Abloh. So, ayan nga. So, ayan nga guys. So, let's check and on foot the pair. So, ayan. But before anything else, i-unboxing muna natin guys. Okay? Ito, unbox ng Nike Dunk na Nike Dunk X Off-White lot 47/50. So, yan. Tingnan mo yung box niya, guys. It's look like box ng orange juice. Orange na prutas, di ba? Kaya naman may pagka-orange yung nasa likod niya rito. So, astig siya, guys. So, yan. Dito makikita nyo dala sa label, which is ayan, yung label niya. Pakita natin label. Kita ba? Yan. Ito ang label niya guys. Nakalagay. So dito basahin natin. Team Nike Sportswear, location HQ Beaverton, that's OR, style number DJ0950/DM1602, season FA21, TC code N2. So, ayan siya guys. Unboxing na natin. So, dito sa likod, ayan, yung Nike shoes, Nike logo, ayan. Again siya dyan, guys. So, ayan, diba? Ito, mayroon siyang mga butas dyan. Sa off-white nga na style. So, ayan. So, ayan. Ang ng box na guys. Glass pa lang. Kala mo, hindi box ng sapatos. So, ayan. Again, unboxing na natin. So, ito siya guys. Ayan. Kulit ang shoes niya dito, parang drawing ng drawing lang. Nasa in-sketch lang ba ang style, di ba? So, ayun, makikita nyo guys ang papel niya rito. Diba? Ito siya. Ayan. Nakalagay dito guys is Off-White 2021 FU Off-White Team Year 1985. So, ayan, comment nyo guys anong ibig sabihin ng year 1985 dyan. Ayan. Ito natin. Yun. Tapos meron pa isa ulit. Papel dito guys. Yan. Unboxing natin yung papel. At yun ang ating Off-White. Nakalagwas na guys. Yan. Off-White. Yun. Ang angas. So, ang ganda. Panalo siya guys. So, ito pa ang isa. Yun. Shoutout nga pala kay Tate dito sa pair natin. Sinap natin yung isang pair natin na yung violet. Yun. Kung tatandaan nyo yung dunk din na violet. Gusto ni Tati yun. So, yeah. Swap na lang kami kamo. So, ayan. Makikita nyo dito guys. It's the, yung lace niya. Ayan, nakalagay is shoelaces. Ayan. Yung tip niya is there's a shoelaces. Even from the violet tip dito, meron din nakalagay. It's written shoelaces on the tip with the violet. Ayan. There's a two laces, violet and the white, of course. Yung tag niya, which is color blue. Lace tag na nakalagay Off-White lot 47/50. Ayan, nakikita nyo dyan. Kita ba rito? Hindi. Ito ang pair ng ating Off-White guys. So, meron siyang maliit na tag dito which is red. I believe it's red. Hindi ako colorblind. It's a red tag. And again guys, so you have your white canvas type na material from your toe box. Yeah, of course. Yung Off-White na sign on this area guys. Yan, off-white na tag. And you have the midsole which is a cream type midsole. And you have the neutral gray outsole. So, ayan. Ang angas na guys. So, again, you have your blue tongue and a Nike, old Nike logo tag. Ayan, nakalagay Nike. Ayan guys. Ayan, makikita nyo sa ating new sneakers na 47/50. So, good luck na lang if you want to purchase all the 50. So, abot ng malamang milyones. So, for me, it's enough. One pair of Nike Dunk, Off-White, collaboration with Off-White. Magka Off-White lang tayo, okay na, panalo na. So, ayan, malambot siya guys, ang maganda, siyempre, ayan, ang dami lang nakasabit-sabit, tatanggalin din natin yung mga nakasabit na yan. So, ayan, and again guys, so let's on foot this sneaker. So, tara. And that's it for today guys. So our pair for today is the Nike Dunk collaboration with the Off-White Lot 47/50. So it's a cool pair guys at maganda. Okay siya, malambot sa paa. Of course, sabi nilalangaw na ako. Again guys. So ayan, details ng sapatos, napakaangas and it's one of the best dunk I think, para sa akin But it's not a must to complete the 50. But yan, kung may budget ka, why not? But for me, wow, okay na sa akin. I have one pair. So, it's enough for me guys. So, ayan. I think that's it for today. Again, flex time first. I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin at members ng Team Positive. And sa may-ari nito at nag-paswap sa atin na si Pops Tate, maraming salamat. Thank you. And ayun, sa lahat ng nag-subscribe sa atin, patuloy kami subscribe. Mag-ano lang tayo ng marami pang mag-update pa tayo ng mga pair na sneakers and of course, ang ating photography and videography gears. So again, I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.